Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your network problem. If your network is not working, how you can fix your network problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start. First we have to go to the settings option, then swipe down. Just swipe down, you can see there is a about phone. Swipe down here, it is a reset option. Click on reset, and here is a reset mobile network setting. Reset the setting, apply your own password, and then reset. Your network setting has been resetted, and now you have to restart your mobile phone, and now it will work. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.